we have the integral of the product of x times secant squared x dx. Now, because we have a product and it doesn't appear to be something that is easy to do a u sub with, I'd like to try and do an integration by parts. And I'll start by letting u equal to x. The derivative of u in this case is the derivative of x. And then we'll let dv equal secant squared x dx. And that should be fairly straightforward to integrate up to v to get tangent x. Now that we've done that, we can go across the top and down over to perform our integration by parts. And we'll have x tangent x minus the integral of tangent x dx. Moving on from here, we've got the integral of tangent x, which tangent can be rewritten as sine x over cosine x. So we'll do x tangent x minus the integral of sine x over cosine x dx. And here, what we can do is perform a u sub. So if we let u equal cosine x, the derivative of u is negative sine x dx, which we have sine dx here. So we can rewrite this all as x tangent x minus the integral 1 over u du, but this minus here needs to combine with this one here to make that plus. So now we have x tangent x plus the integral of 1 over u is the natural log of absolute value of u, and then we have to add a plus c at the end because this is an indefinite integral with no limits. Now the last step is we can't leave it in terms of both x and u. We must consolidate it all into terms of x, and we can do that by resubstituting in this u. So if we go for x tangent x plus the natural logarithm of the absolute value of cosine x, which is our u value here, and then add the constant at the end, that is all we have to do. This is the final solution of our integral of x secant squared x. If you have any other questions or any other calculus or physics problems you want me to try, let me know in the comments below. Otherwise, I hope you found this helpful.